How to delete messages on Discord. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete any message you've sent on Discord. Now let's just jump right in. First thing first, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open up Discord application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Here, I'm already logged in, so what I'm going to do is swipe right on my screen to bring out my servers, and you want to head over to the DM section on the very top at the top left. And then from here, you want to tap on any chat where you want to delete your message. Once that is done, you want to select the message that you want to delete. So I'm going to long press on the second message here. Then you can scroll down here and find the option to delete message. Tap on it and then tap on yes. Now you've successfully deleted the message. You can do the same thing for other messages as well. So if I go back here, tap on any one of them, long press on it, scroll down, tap on delete message, tap on yes, and you're good to go. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.